Tim, we're here with TLC Pressure Washing, and we're back from vacation. And first thing we're going to get done after vacation is a dirty fence. It's a vinyl fence, so this is going to be a really easy fence. First thing I'm going to do is check, make sure these are well secured, because I don't have access to the other side. Let's see, that one's, I might take that one off. I don't have access to the other side of the fence. What the deal is this is one of our regular customers, and they used to live in Murfreesboro, another location. Now they live here. And this is actually technically not their fence. They had all this brush and overbrush that was a barrier to seeing this fence, but they cleared it out. They cleared a lot of it out. So now they can see this fence. This fence is really dirty. So they got permission for us to clean the fence. And so that's what we're gonna do. They got permission, but I don't have access to the other side. So if I hit one of these and they come off, I can't retrieve it. So, well, that one's a disaster. So I don't, if I hit with a little bit too much pressure. So I'm gonna take them off, put them on this side, clean them up really well, and then clean the fence. And then put them back. I'll clean all four sides of them. At that point, they'll probably end up having to call us to make it look better. But I do not want these to. Then they'd end up being dirty, and they'd be on the other side. I can't get to them. Easier to take them off and put them back on. So I don't know if I'm going to use my pump-up sprayer, but it is kind of a long fence, so I may pull out the software system just to make it faster and hit it. But you can see there's been animals feeding on the mold and mildew, and this is just mold and mildew, simple mold and mildew. This will come off real easily. It may have to have a kind of a strong mix, but I can even feel it on it. Whew. But anyway, that's what we're doing today. Tim Moore, TLC Pressure Washing. So there we go. This fence is nice, beautiful, no mold or mildew. So this will last for quite a while actually, because these trees are far enough away that it won't be an issue. But we are out of here. We got our customer taken care of, and soon they'll be ready for house wash, because it's a new house to them, and driveway and things like that. We'll be there for that. Tim Moore, TLC Pressure Washing.